Alessia and welcome back to my channel. Today, you guys are finally getting the curly hair routine. Yeah, finally. I'm actually sorry. Same thing as a skincare routine. I kind of took forever, but it's here. It's here. Okay, but in all seriousness, it took me forever to find products that actually work for me. I'm still kind of testing out products, but these products that I have in this video are extremely, like, I love them. I dropped a curl routine on TikTok like almost a year ago. I use Diva Curl. If you guys didn't know, Diva Curl, not Diva Curl. Don't do that to yourself. I'm not trying to bash, but Diva Curl kind of ruined my curl pattern. It made my curls really dry. It just, like, in the moment, it actually worked extremely good. Like, I absolutely loved it in the moment. My curls looked so nice, but since I used it for a long period of time, my hair it didn't end up cute. It's kind of back now, like my curl pattern and stuff, like it's moisturized and whatever, but yeah, I do not suggest Diva Curl. I don't suggest it. Also, if you guys didn't know, I cut my hair really short. I asked for like an inch, but my whole head got chopped off. That wasn't really cute, but I low-key do suggest getting a big chop because my hair grew back healthier than ever. Before it wasn't as healthy as it is now, because ever since it got the big accidental chop, my hair grew back really healthy, so I do suggest that. Okay, but yeah, this video is basically just the products I use in my routine, filled with a bunch of hacks in between, so stay tuned and watch the whole thing to get every hack and to see how to use the products, what they do, and what they are. I also have a specific order for everything, and like I also explain that in the video. So like, yeah, another little like tip I have really fast, I should be telling this to myself. Don't touch your hair like during the day because it just makes it really frizzy. So me, I have a habit of touching my hair. I'm either doing this or I'm twirling it. It makes it frizzy, so don't do that. Don't do it. Okay, but yeah, enough of me talking. You probably want to kill me, but let's just get straight into the video. I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, so I just got out of the shower. I just put on my makeup and whatever, but my hair is fresh, and before we get started, I'm just gonna do my little shower routine. And you thought you were gonna come in the shower with me. Not today. Not today. Okay, but in all seriousness, these are amazing. They're the Shea Moisture Curl and Shine Shampoo and Conditioner. I love these because they really help to define your curls like after you're out of the shower, so I just love them. They're the only shampoo and conditioner that have actually done me good. The rest I've used were not good. They didn't work. Okay, and like once or twice a week, I don't know if you guys have heard of it, but something called clarifying shampoo, you're gonna want to use that. Basically what it does, like this is my favorite brand of it. It just works the best for me, but what it does, it just strips your hair of the gunk that like the buildup, whatever, but usually when your hair has a bunch of buildup in it, it looks really unhealthy. It gets weighed down. It's not cute. Your curls get weighed down. Your hair goes like straight at the top. It's just, no. So twice a week, you're gonna wanna use clarifying shampoo. Or you could use apple cider vinegar and then just spray it all over your hair and just rub it in. That does the exact same thing, but yeah, it's just more like concentrated. And then if my hair's ever feeling dry or I just like want to add back some moisture, I use this Shea Moisture leave-in conditioner in the shower. I just replace it with my conditioner sometimes and then just leave it in my hair, wash my body, and then just rinse it off when you're done. So yeah, that basically just adds moisture to your hair because curly hair, moisture is it's the key to curly hair. Like if your hair is dry, your curls are gonna be disgustingly like, they're not gonna be cute. You have to moisturize your hair, whatever products you use, make sure it's moisturized and not dry. Okay, and I really suggest getting a Denman brush. I don't know why I love it, I just do. Like, it helps with breakage, first of all, and then when I brush it out, it's just like, it's easier than a normal brush. Like, it gets knots out really fast. It's also good for when you have product in your hair and you just want to like brush through the product so it like gets everywhere. So yeah. Okay, and a quick little tip. Trust me on this one, use scrunchies. Don't use normal elastics if you're not doing like an actual like slick back hairstyle. If you're just like putting your hair up for like out of the shower or whatever, like to go to bed, use a scrunchie because normal elastics cause a lot of breakage. You're gonna wake up, take it out, and your whole head of hair is gonna be on the elastic. Even if you don't notice hair loss from elastics, it's there, trust me. And even if you don't get hair loss from it, it breaks the hair and causes split ends. So yeah, I suggest using scrunchies. And I don't know what my hair type is. It's either 3A or 3B, but like almost every day I end up with ringlets, so don't know. Couldn't tell you. But the thing with my hair is like when it's wet, it's not curly. Like no. Okay, let's get started with the actual like routine now. Okay, so I start off with this styling spray. It basically just preps your hair for all the products and it adds a bunch of volume and adds shine. So I absolutely love this because it just makes the finished product look like clean. Okay, this step has to be necessary in every single curly routine that there is, and it's just like curl cream. I don't use both on the same like days. I switch between them, but I prefer this one better. It makes them really like soft. But basically what curl cream does, it just preps your curls. Like again, it actually forms the curls, and then later when we put in the gel and whatever, it just like holds the curls. Okay, so today I'll be using this one because like I just love it. Okay, so the next step is gel. Again, I don't use both on the same days. I just pick one over the other. Usually I pick this one because I like it better. But basically, like I said before, they just lock the curls in, like they just hold them, so. Okay, but the next thing I do is I use a microfiber towel to just get any extra moisture out of my hair. And I use it other than a normal towel because first of all, it makes my curls look so much better. And normal towels cause a lot of breakage in your hair, so microfiber towels are really good for that. So leading into that, the next step is to diffuse your hair. Almost every curly girl diffuses their hair. You don't have to, but I highly suggest it because it just makes your curls look way better. And one thing with diffusing is I see a lot of girls diffusing their hair until it's just like damp. And what that does, it just makes it really crunchy. And I know you guys have that struggle. It just makes it really crunchy and frizzy. So I suggest drying it like 100% fully. Like I don't want to see one damp spot. Like 100% dry it. Okay, my hair is 100% dry. It's not damp anymore. This isn't like mandatory, but if you want, you could find a part, or you could just keep it to the side, whatever. You could keep the messy look, it doesn't matter. But I like a middle part because I just feel like it looks the best on me. Okay, and the last thing you're gonna want to do, it honestly works wonders for me. I didn't use it before, but it just finishes everything off. Like, it's amazing. Hairspray and volumizing spray. It just holds them and it adds volume, and I love volume personally.
So yeah.
Basically, it's just a given. Like, this holds your curls and doesn't make it flat, and this just adds volume. So this hairspray is amazingly good. Matrix is an extremely good brand. This isn't like my go-to one. This one is, what's it? 8 hours. My other one I think is like 18 hours. Insert picture right here. But damn bitches were sold out, so. But this one's still good. Look at the curls. My curls have not looked this nice in a while. Period. Okay, but the last step I do is use coconut oil and use a pick to tease it. So basically what the coconut oil does, it just moisturizes your hair even more because like I said before, the key to curls is moisture. And I feel like coconut oil for me just helps define them even more and it adds a bunch of shine, which I like. Also really quick, I do recommend a heat protector, just like a spray or whatever before you diffuse your hair. I'm out of mine, so I couldn't really include that, but I do recommend that. Okay, and it looks like we're done. My curls actually turned out pretty good. I cannot lie. They turned out really good. Thankfully, I'm recording this because but yeah, that was my curly hair routine for every day. I do have a changed routine for like day 2 and day 3 with obviously less products. So let me know in the comments if you want a video about that. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. You guys have been begging for this, like begging. So it's finally here. Finally here. I'm gonna just make this sweet and short. Leave a thumbs up if you like the video, share with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and turn on my post notifications for notifications every time I post. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys with my whole heart. Bye.